Hello, Tom. Nice to meet you. Please, have a seat. I read your email. You said you've saved a bit of money and want to know how to invest it, right? Yes, Edward. Thank you for your time. I've been working in the same company for over 10 years. It's not a high paying job, but it's stable. Every month I save about 10% of my salary. It was hard, believe me, but I managed to save around $5,000. That's amazing, Tom. Many people don't even save $500. The fact that you saved 5,000 shows you're serious about your future and responsible. Thanks. But now I'm stuck. That money is just sitting in my bank account. I don't want to waste it, but I don't want to take big risks either. That's why I came to you. I want to learn. I want to learn how to invest my money. Of course. Let's talk about your options. First, I'll explain something simple. Every investment has a level of risk. There are low risk, medium risk, high risk investments. The higher the risk, the higher the possible return, but also the higher the chance to lose money. So we need to find the right balance for you. That makes sense. I prefer something safe, but I'm also curious to hear all the options. Perfect. Let's start with low risk options. These are good if you want to protect your money, but the returns are small. For example, you can open a high yield savings account. Your money stays safe and you earn a little interest every month. That's how it works, Tom. That sounds nice, but I already have a normal savings account. The interest is almost nothing. What you're saying sounds interesting. Yes, regular accounts pay very little, but high yield accounts pay more, especially online banks. Still, it's true, the profit is small. It's good for short term goals or emergency savings. Let's see. Another option is certificates of deposit, CDS. You lock your money in the bank for 6 months, 1 year, or more. During that time, you can't use the money, but the bank gives you better interest. I heard about that, but my cousin tried it. He said he needed the money during an emergency and couldn't take it out. Yes, that's the downside. It's safe, but not flexible. You need to be 100% sure you won't need the money during that time. I don't think that's for me. I like having access to my money just in case. Got it. Now let's look at medium risk investments. These give better returns, but there's a little more risk. A popular option is ETFs, exchange traded funds. Basically, it's a group of stocks, bonds you invest in together. It's like buying a basket of different companies. Sounds interesting, but I don't know much about the stock market. That's the good thing about ETFs. You don't have to choose the companies. The fund already includes many good ones, good companies. So even if one company goes down, the others help balance the risk. There are ETFs for tech, clean energy, health, or even the whole market. Wow, that sounds more modern. Can I start with little money? Yes, you can invest as little as 100 or $200. Some apps even let you buy parts of an ETF. Don't need to buy the whole one. It is a great way to start learning without using all your money. I like that idea. But what else is there? Okay, another medium risk option is real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to buy a house. You can invest a small amount, like $500, into a project with other people. For example, a new apartment. When the building makes money, you get a part of the profit. Wait, I can invest in real estate without buying a property? Exactly. It's becoming popular. But be careful because some platforms are not well regulated. You have to choose the company wisely. Sounds good, but a little scary. What if the building fails? That's why it's medium risk. You could lose some money. But if you study and choose trusted platforms, it can be a smart way to grow your money. Okay, I'll write that one down. What about high risk options? High risk options can give big returns, but they are not for everyone. One example is cryptocurrency. You've heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yes, I have a friend who made money with that, and another one who lost everything. Yes, that's exactly what happens. Crypto is very volatile. One day it goes up 20%. The next day it goes down 40%. If you invest in crypto, you must be ready to lose that money. Keep that in mind. I don't like that. I worked too hard for my savings. I don't want to gamble. Wise decision. Crypto is not for everyone. Another high risk idea is individual stocks, like buying shares in just one company: Apple, Amazon, Tesla. You can win big or lose big. It's not stable. That's the thing. Yeah, I don't want to put all my money in one place. That sounds dangerous. Exactly. Most smart investors don't do that either. They diversify. They spread their money across different investments. Some safe, some risky. That sounds like a better plan. So I could put part of my money in ETFs, part in high yield account, and maybe a small part in real estate crowdfunding. Now you're thinking like an investor. That's the strategy. Mix things up. Start small. Test one thing. Learn how it works. And decide to add more later. Yeah, I like that. One step at a time. I don't want to rush. You know, I just want my money to grow slowly and safely. That's a smart mindset. And remember, investing is not magic. You don't become rich in 1 year, but with patience, you can build something great. Just like you saved this money with hard work, you can grow it with smart choices. Thank you, Edward. You really opened my eyes. Really, I didn't know. There were so many options. I need to think about everything we talked about. Absolutely. Never rush when it comes to money. Take your time. And when you're ready, we can meet again and build a plan together. Deal. I'll go home, do some research, maybe watch a few videos, and sleep on it. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.